Hi, it's the end of trading on Tuesday, the 11th of February. And I think we've got some important things to see here in the daily clouds. Even though we had a really nice pop-up day today, I don't think that we're out of the woods. I still think we have potential to pull back into this flat spot on the S&P 500. But we did see this nice little shoot up today to where? To the 1 week flat, to the 1 week top of the cloud, which we've been talking about now for quite some time. But here we are, and we've hit it. So let's go back to the 1 day. So we hit that weekly level and stopped dead. Now we have the Chiku span, which gave us a nice little pop today into the center of the cloud. So where is our next resistance going to be? I'm just going to right click here and create an alert for multiple triggers so I don't miss just one. And we could see the next resistance level at 27.74. That might be the point at which we start making our retreat to test this flat cloud. I still believe that that's a possibility. If you wanted to go long the S&P on some calls, I would think that that's the upside from 27.44 to 27.77. Maybe just a quick trade, take them off and see what happens with rejection of the Chiku span right up here. Apple, really interesting because nothing is happening. And when we closed the week last week, I predicted, based on the charts, that nothing would happen this week because we are in a cloud. It's like an airplane, right? Flying in a cloud. There's no direction. It doesn't know if it's going up or down. The Chiku span would tell us that we could be going up. Resistance is going to come when the Chiku span approaches this 50-day price moving average. I am still just short the 170 and 172 puts, and I have very little stock left. I have one small handful of stock in another account. On the T, we saw T do its thing today, be pulled up by the flat cloud, but stop right at the top of the flat cloud. So let's see what happens next. I maintain my positions in T, but I'm running out of patience, and I may switch to Intel. Caterpillar. Caterpillar is a long. You could add here because we came out of the cloud, we went down and we tested the flat part of the cloud, and we moved up. The Chiku span came down, tested the 50 and the top of some candles, got support there and moved up. So go long in Caterpillar. And any China news, any trade news is going to help this stock, and it's got a good dividend, so get it while the dividend is reasonable. Intel. I've been saying I would be more convinced after it hit 50.97 because that is the top of the 1 week cloud. But you know what? I said you can go ahead and nibble some yesterday. I didn't. But if you did, you saw a nice day today. Tomorrow, I am going to buy some Intel. I'm going to start accumulating with my first position, whatever the open is tomorrow, and then a second position or a third position somewhere above this high once we've had 1 day break against the high, full day break. WDC, love this stock and love the chart because the chart tells you so much. Look at this resistance up at the gap, this gap from earnings back here, back in October. And we saw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 rejections from the gap and a fifth one today. And what do those coincide with? I mean, it's amazing. 1, 2, 3 rejections from the Chiku span at the cloud. What does that tell you when the Chiku span, which is 26 days behind, is getting resistance at the cloud, and it's the exact same level where the gap is? You couldn't write a movie script better than this. So that's it for today. Intel, Caterpillar, don't worry about Apple. Keep your eye on WDC.